Fun fact, a 2-year-old boy in Texas accidentally ordered 31 McDonald's cheeseburgers from DoorDash while playing with his mom's phone. While Kelsey Golden was working from home, she let her son Barrett play with her cell phone, where he usually just plays with the camera app and laughs at his reflection. But this time, Barrett went into the DoorDash app and placed an order for 31 cheeseburgers without Kelsey's knowledge. A short time later, a DoorDash driver arrived at her home to deliver the order, where Kelsey told her, "You must have the wrong house." But after checking the receipt in her phone, she realized what had happened. Kelsey was equally perplexed because Barrett doesn't even like cheeseburgers. He prefers chicken nuggets. Unsure what to do with $92 worth of cheeseburgers, Kelsey posted in the local community Facebook group saying she had 31 free cheeseburgers. A pregnant woman came and took 6, and a mom of a large family came and took 18. The rest were given to neighbors, and everyone had a good laugh.